Today we're talking about the Tribit StormBox Micro. Is this the best miniature waterproof speaker money can buy? Let's jump into it. All right, so first things first, let's do a quick unboxing and see how this thing looks inside. As always, Tribit does a nice job with boxes, very plain, very simple. Pop it open, nice little drop. Full-size instruction manual right here. A warranty card. With the usual Chinese QR code that nobody in the US will use, but whatever. And here's the speaker. Let's pull this thing out. There's the speaker. We'll set this aside. And a USB-C cable right here. What do we have on the speaker? So on the top, very nice nylon mesh with 3 buttons, a volume down, volume up, multifunction. On the front, we have a power button and a Bluetooth button. And on this side, we have an exposed USB-C charging port. On the bottom, a rubber strap, nice soft stretch, and then a bass audio port on the bottom. So all in all, a very neat little package, nice and compact. The strap will be perfect for strapping it on my bike or on a boat or anywhere where you go where you could strap this thing. So let's power it on and see how it is. Okay, power on procedure. Just hit the power button. Power is on, and we see we've got 5 little LED lights right in front that'll show you how much power is left in the battery. This thing has 8 hours of battery life, and it'll charge fast on USB-C in around 2 hours is what I've read. So let's go into Bluetooth and pair it. And now let's go to YouTube and see if we can find some copyright-free music to listen to. All right, so start with the volume a little lower. So the volume buttons work like this. You can just press it for 1 volume notch, or you can hold it to go all the way up or all the way down. The multifunction button is 1 press pauses, 1 press resumes, 2 presses skips to the next track, 3 presses takes you back to the previous track, and then if you hold it, okay Google, what's my name? Okay Google, what's my name? Well, obviously my Google Assistant read it out loud. My name is Brian, but long press gets you Siri or your Google Assistant. So very easy to use. This actually has a microphone right here, so you can actually use it as your speakerphone. So this not only will play great music in the shower, on your boat, on your bike, out at a picnic, but it also can be used as a normal speakerphone or as your Google Assistant, your Alexa assistant, or whatever. But the greatest feature of all, and we need 2 speakers for this, so let me get another one. Is that you can use them in stereo mode. So let's power this one up. So if I hold the Bluetooth button on both for 5 seconds, it should go into party mode. Now they're in party mode.
Party mode. Stereo mode.
And now they're in.
Channel.
Did you hear that? It said left channel and right channel. That means that now we have stereo speakers to play full music on both sides. And you can't hear that because you're on the other side. But it's playing full stereo for both, which is absolutely incredible for tiny little speakers like this, and a feature that any other, let me pause this, which is actually absolutely incredible for tiny speakers like this, and a feature that would cost you literally hundreds of dollars somewhere else. But aside from the stereo speakers, the biggest driving point of these things is price. They're $55 on Amazon. Obviously, links are down below. They compete with the Bose Micro speaker, which is an incredible little speaker, but literally at a quarter of the price. You really cannot beat that. I mean, I can't emphasize enough what a value these little speakers are. They come with USB-C, which makes it, compatible with all your newest devices. They're waterproof, so IPX7, which means that they can be under a meter of water, so 3 feet of water for half an hour, and it'll still work. I've not tried that, but I'm assuming that's real. And aside from that, just a great little speaker with amazing functions for the price. I would highly recommend it. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll try to get to them within half an hour or within an hour of posting this video, so that anybody who has questions, I can answer them right then and there. With that, thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to talking to you again on the next speaker or headphones. See ya.